What is up, YouTube? I am so excited today. Today, everything changes for you. Seriously, everything's going to change because you're going to learn about my brand new product called Unstoppable. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche, basically to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, not today. Seriously, you're so annoying. He's so annoying, that guy. He drives me crazy all the time with a crap. Anyway, the way things work here is that if I like a product, I will give a tip of my head to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you again, Liz Lemon. And I am a very successful entrepreneur, actually. I've been doing this for a while now. I'm doing quite well. Thank you very much. Not to toot my own horn, but I really am doing quite well. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe means nothing here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Hey, welcome. This is the sales page for my latest product called Unstoppable. And basically the idea is to create an unstoppable income online. So why don't we go over this a little bit, talk about the sales page, and then show you the members area and tell you why I am so excited that this is finally coming out. This is probably my favorite launch ever that I've done. I've done 2 other launches so far, and of the 3 of them, this one is my absolute favorite. I am so excited about Unstoppable. You have no idea. Okay, so what I've been doing is basically I stumbled really on a secret website. I'm not going to tell you what it is because that's part of the course and everything else. I stumbled onto a secret website where the people who go there are business owners in like regular businesses, not people in the make money online niche like you see here in Warrior Plus and JV where there's a million people, a million wannabes who all want to make money online. These are actual people, like actual businesses. I've dealt with people who have a boxing business. I've dealt with people who are life coaches, people who are lawyers, all kinds of stuff. That's the kind of people that you're going to see at this marketplace. And you're not going to see the kind of people you see on Fiverr either, who are penny pinching and saying, oh, I want it for $5. I want to get it for cheaper and cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. These are people who actually have money to spend. So that's what's really, really cool. What I did at this marketplace, like I said, I stumbled on it by accident. I went and set up 1 gig, one time. It took me about 15, 20 minutes to set the whole thing up. And then I forgot about it. I put up, I think twice, I put up something on my Facebook wall saying, hey, anybody who needs this service, let me know. And I sent them a link. And then I forgot about it. And this was 4 or 5 months ago, I think, that I did this. And since then, like every couple of days, another order comes in. And it literally takes me less than 60 seconds to fulfill an order. Okay, I'm not kidding when I say this. I made $25 in less than 60 seconds. All right. And I don't do anything with this. I don't push it. I don't advertise it. I don't keep trying to drive more traffic to it. Literally, I did it once and I left it alone. Now, the thing is like this. I also do a lot of other things. I do a lot of website design. I do a lot of videos for local businesses. I also am an affiliate marketer. So I do a lot of other stuff. This is kind of a side gig for me. And even as a side gig, I've made a lot of money. This thing here, $275, that's nothing. Okay, that's actually just a few of them because our designer asked me to go ahead and grab a screenshot. So I said, okay, well, here's a screenshot of a few of the sales I've made. I've made way more sales than what you see here for the $275. That's nothing. That's literally nothing compared to the amount of money that I've been able to earn from this marketplace doing one simple gig that literally I take less than 60 seconds to do it.
Gone like 60 seconds.
No, seriously, less than 60 seconds. Okay. And I'm not talking about stealing cars like you do. Anyway, so let me show you a little bit about what you're going to be getting here. The sales page is almost complete as I'm recording this. You can see that this is still obviously going to be changed before the launch happens in a few hours. Yes, I really could charge $197 for this, and it would be worth it because you're going to make money over and over and over again. Every single person that I've shown this to was like, wow, Eric, this is so cool. Okay, let me show you some of the comments here that I've gotten. These are real comments from actual people. It's Jeremy Kennedy. You probably heard of him. You guys are flipping insane for releasing this course. What a gold mine of a method. He was so excited. He was like, I never heard of this place. I didn't know about it. Oh my God, this is incredible. Bill Hugel, one of my mentors. Okay, Eric has become known for providing over the top value. Okay, it's an insanely good deal. Yes, it is. And Bill, you can see also about Bill's review video. You can see that he really loves this thing. He was so impressed. Anthony Mancuso. I started working with Anthony. That was actually the very first course I bought in affiliate marketing. It was about a year ago now. And Anthony has been incredible. Okay. Rob Reese, Unstoppable, one of the easiest ways to make money online. It is so easy. Really, 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 really easy.
It can't be that easy.
No, seriously, it really is easy. Not like that. Anyway, but seriously, it is so simple to do this. It is one of the easiest methods you will ever see for making serious money online. I personally, I do affiliate marketing also, and I happen to like affiliate marketing. But if I wasn't doing this, I'd probably focus a lot more on this other business and really try to build it up because frankly, you can make a full-time living doing this, and you work maybe an hour a day in order to do it. Okay, there's so much potential here. It is absolutely insane what you're able to do. But I decided to really kind of like go over the top of this. So what I did was like this. I first of all I created a done for you website. All right. And the website you can basically install it into WordPress. It's already ready to roll for you. Everything is set up for you, including samples, including everything. And what you do is just slap it into WordPress, start sending traffic to it, and you're good to go. All right. You've got a whole bunch of other things: funnel building, social media marketing, outsourcing, video sales formula, video creation mastery. All right. You got all these other things that are coming with it. And by the way, if you buy Unstoppable and you don't like it, you can ask me for a refund. I'm going to give you a full refund, and you even get to keep all the bonuses. Seriously. All right, you get to keep all the bonuses. Because that's how sure I am that you're really going to love Unstoppable. All right, that's really what it's about. You can see as I'm recording this, it's about 6 hours to go until the launch actually is open. I am so pumped right now. You can see I'm speaking a mile a minute because I'm so excited about this. This is my favorite launch ever. Seriously, Local Video Jackpot was incredible. I love Local Video Jackpot. I still make money doing videos for local businesses. Okay, but a lot of people complain to me, Eric, this is a lot of work to get started. Once you get started, it's like 15, 20 minutes of work to go and actually customize a video. But you have to go and find customers. You have to actually build a relationship with them. Over here, it's literally, I took 15 minutes one time, and then I profit over and over again, and it takes me under 60 seconds to do it. Not kidding. It happens over and over and over and over and over and over again. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the members area real quick. And then we can talk about my bonus, my custom bonus for this launch. And we'll see if I can give a tip of my hat to myself. Okay, so we're here in the members area for Unstoppable. It's a nice clean members area, which is what I like to see on any launch. Okay, you can see that you got the whole thing, everything set up, teaching you everything you need to know about how the Unstoppable method actually works. What's really, really cool here is that you also get a done for you package. So you can actually go ahead and download the done for you stuff. You're going to get all the materials that you need. When you join the Facebook group, by the way, this is really important. Go ahead and join the Facebook group for Unstoppable because I put more content into the Facebook group. Seriously, when I put together a Facebook group, I don't just put it together and say, okay, fine, whatever. I actually put stuff in there. And if you are already seeing this on my channel, then you probably already know about my YouTube channel. But if for some reason you happen to see this video right now, go check my channel out. I have a ton of content there where I'm going to show you all kinds of cool stuff. Okay, so uh, that's pretty much it. As far as my custom bonus is concerned, I got a very simple custom bonus for you. What's my custom bonus? I am going to give you my personal time. Now, this is something I don't do lightly because I'm busier and busier all the time with my various businesses that I make a living online. I make my full time living online. Right now, I'm grossing about $10,000 per month on average. That's my average take from my business. So I'm able to pay our bills. We're able to go on vacations. We're able to uh, basically have our life, and I'm the only one working. Okay, it's just me, but we're able to pay all our bills and we're able to have a comfortable life because of my online business. I want to help you with your online business. So pick up Unstoppable from me, and I'm going to give you a 15-minute session on Zoom. We'll record it. You'll get to keep it, do whatever you want with it. We're gonna go over your own business, and I'm going to try to help you to build your own life of freedom. Okay, so let's see if I'm going to give a tip of my hat to myself for this product. So, am I giving a tip of my hat to the product creator? I think you could probably guess that yes, I'm giving myself a tip of the hat. I know this works, and it works really well, and it's so easy. Seriously, so easy. Go ahead and grab this. You really need this. This is the easiest money you'll ever make online. Grab it. You're absolutely going to love it.